we are living a disciplined life, are we being too hard on ourselves? Let's find out. Hi, I'm Bhavna and welcome back to my channel Women Gupshup. So today we'll discuss about this thing, when we are so disciplined and we are so good with others and still we don't get the results which we want. And how does it feel and what happens there? We all know that famous line from Kangana's movie that about Gupta ji, right? Who didn't do anything wrong in his whole life and still he's got cancer. And we feel so bad for him. So we don't want to be Gupta ji, right? So what should we do? Don't compare your success with others. I always believe that even if we say that it's a finishing line, there's a race and there's a finishing line there, still, everybody will reach that finishing line. And you have to reach there. If you want, then also, and if you don't want, then also. So if there is a finishing line decided and we all have to reach there, don't you think that we should reach there happily rather than feeling competitive, criticizing others and criticizing your own journey? I have seen this with myself also. I was always critical about my things. No, this is not perfect, this is not right, and I wanted everything correct. And I also wanted people to be always correct with me. They should always behave right with me. It was a big expectation because these things doesn't happen, we all know, right? It depends on what kind of parameters you define your success. Second is that stop blaming yourself for everything. If somebody is not feeling right, if something is not going right in the house, and these things, women especially have these tendencies. If anything is happening, then they'll start feeling anxious. They'll be like, oh, I think I have said something, why he's not talking to me, why my family members are not behaving properly with me, I must have done something. So these guilt trips, they just give the power to another person and it always comes on your head. So please try to understand this, that be confident in yourself, that everything is not happening because of you. So one important thing which I learned from my experiences is that, we should always learn from our past mistakes and people who criticize us. There are some people, who I also don't find that friendly, and they have taught me so much. They have taught me self-love. They taught me how to respect myself, how to stand up for myself. I just give all my credit to these people because whatever confidence I have in my life today, it is this because of these people. Because they indirectly taught me how to fight for myself, how I had to fight for everything, how I had to, stand up for myself. Everything they taught me. So I am very, very thankful to all these people because they made me who I am today. The thing is that, express your anger in a creative way. Whenever someone criticizes you, it's their own inferiorities. Because of them or insecurities, they do that. Because they are not comfortable in their skin. That's why they are not comfortable with anyone outside. That's what I always believe. I'll give an simple example. If एक लेडी है जो कि जॉब नहीं करती है, उसकी फैमिली उसे हमेशा क्रिटिसाइज करती है कि इसे तो कुछ भी नहीं आता, ये इंग्लिश नहीं बोल पाती है, इसे कुछ कुकिंग भी नहीं आती है ढंग से, ये बात भी करना नहीं जानती, कॉन्फिडेंट भी नहीं है, इसके बच्चे तो इसे ऐसे ही डांटते रहते हैं. तो मेरा एक मैसेज है कि आप प्लीज़ जो आपको बेस्ट लगता है, जो आपके अंदर है, उसको पहचानें और उसको बाहर लेकर आएँ और अपनी रिस्पेक्ट रखें. वो बहुत ही ज़रूरी है. और प्लीज़ अपनी सेविंग्स अपने पास रखें. बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रस्ट ना करें. मैंने बहुत सारे केसेस ऐसे देखे हैं जहाँ पे पेरेंट्स जो हैं वो सब कुछ अपना they give everything to their children, and after that their condition becomes so bad. So don't just create that much pressure on you. Just act smartly. This is the time. One more important thing is that, surround yourself with people who likes to see you growing, and being successful. That is very, very important. Recently, I also made a move. It was I believe that it was a brave move on my part because I am a person, who always gives a second chance to people. I am not somebody who will just cut off the people straight away. If there is no big reason, maybe. I just removed them from social media, and believe me, I felt so good. I was, I'll tell you a secret. Earlier, what I used to do is, I would always, use a filter where they couldn't see my updates, but yes, they were in my friend list. So this is the kind of person I am. I'm not direct with people that, I'll just block you straight away and that kind of thing. But yes, definitely with time I learned this, in our life we can do it in so many ways. Just cut off these people who make you feel bad, who criticizes you, judge you without any reason, who are hampering your progress. Believe me, there are people, we should filter them. I always felt that, I have so many friends, and I also felt that, I have so many friends. But as time passed, I realized that there are only some people who are trustworthy. So it can be family, it can be friends, it can be anyone, colleagues or anyone. So please filter these people from your life. It's very, very important. It saves you a lot of energy and you feel so good. So I'm sure you must be having these kind of people, and if you are dealing with these kind of people, be smart, be confident. उन्हीं लोगों के साथ अपने सीक्रेट शेयर करिए, उन्हीं को बताइए जो आपकी प्रोग्रेस से खुश होते हैं. अदरवाइज थिंग्स टर्न वेरी अगली. फेक पीपल तो प्लीज़ उनसे बच के ही रहिए. आई नो सबकी लाइफ में होते हैं, बट वो इतना हार्म करते हैं आपको. And when you actually realize that how much time you have wasted with these people, so you feel so bad. These were the things I wanted to talk about today, because I somewhere felt that this is very important thing, that are we too hard on ourselves? Like, we are all, because we want to be always correct, we want to do it because we live for our image. That's why I feel that we are too hard on ourselves, because we don't know how to say no. So it has changed me a lot. I'm more direct now. Earlier I was not that direct. I used to think a lot before. I used to prepare what I need to say and how will the person react, and then what will I say. Took me some time to learn these things, but definitely they always say that whatever experiences others have, you should always take advantage of that. That's why I wanted to share this with you. I hope you liked my video. If you liked it, please like it, share it, and please subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.